Richie Ruckus Beats.
It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Sunday, December 16th. As I told you guys yesterday, I have a brand new sneaker unboxing. We're going to do the review. We're going to do the on foot, and I'm really going to break it down. I'm actually really excited about this pair of sneaks. And as I stated yesterday, I did do some renovations to the sneaker room. I'll try to throw some footage up in here for you. If you guys are hearing an echo, it's because of the construction that I started in here and what's going on. The room is a lot more opened up now. I'm not so much cluttered and stuck and confined in my little space. So I had to go get some new shelving, hung up some new pictures, something for my grandma who passed away a few years ago. Some Michael Jordan memorabilia and stuff like that. So I'll try to throw some footage up in there for you. Not really sure if I'm going to have enough time. That's it. We're going to jump right into this unboxing. I was very excited to see that these sneakers were being retroed. And I feel like this weekend was a weird weekend for sneakers. I feel like whether it have been the sneakers were really mass produced and they, kind of screwed up the supply and demand, or if people are just over these sneakers. Like the semi-frozen yellows still shouldn't be sitting right now, and they are. And this pair of sneakers, I'm going to venture to say it's eventually going to make its way, onto a discount rack. You'd be able to use a promo code to get them for under retail. So don't sleep, because the pair we're going to jump into today, no way, shape, or form should they be sitting, let alone eventually making it to the discount rack. But without further ado, you guys know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got the Jordan 3 Mocha. This particular Jordan 3 is one that I was always clamoring for and always needed to add to my rotation. Jordan 3, if you guys are a mainstay on the channel and if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know where the Jordan 3 lies with me and where it is sentimentally and just where it is sneaker rotation wise. If you're new to the channel, the Jordan 3 is a mainstay in my everyday, every week, every month, every year sneaker rotation. I can't get enough of the Jordan 3. As far as Jordans go, it's in my top 2. The 1 and the 3 are my 2 favorite. And then if we're going just sneakers of all time, it's in the top 3. It's probably Jordan 1, Jordan 3, and Air Max 1 OG. But the Mocha colorway is just a very simplistic, very simply done. You got pretty much a whole white upper. You got some chromed out eyelets on the very bottom of the laces. You got white eyelets all the way up the mid part of the sneaker, and then the top eyelets are that deep chocolate mocha brown. You got Mocha Jumpman on the back. Again, something we have to touch on with every Jordan retro. If that had Nike Air on the back, people would be going bananas. But it doesn't, so they don't. And then the inner part of the sneaker, same thing, all white upper, where the elephant print typically is. You have that chocolate elephant print throughout the toe box and the heel. Capped off by that Mocha Jumpman on the tongue. White laces, the typical Jordan 3 Air unit. White insole, and then that Jordan 3 typical bottom with the mocha brown and white. The only thing really missing from this pair is there's no hang tag, and maybe it was just my pair that I grabbed from Lapstone Hammer. Said I grabbed these yesterday, left, got halfway home, got the notification that I won the raffle for the semi-frozen yellow, flew back down there, got the semi-frozen yellows, did the review of them real quick because you got to get them used, and obviously the semi-frozen yellow was going to command more views than the Mocha, so I figured if I had to wait another day to do the Mocha, it would make more sense than waiting 2 days to do the semi-frozen yellow. If you haven't checked out that video, guys, go ahead and make sure you go give that video a watch. Tuesday, I'll actually be doing a very big video, very big deal. It's going to be a big video. It's going to be long, so make sure you guys tune in. It's going to be a very dope video we got coming for you Tuesday. But that's pretty much it as far as the Mocha. I mean, this is a sneaker. There's very few Jordan 3s that have evaded me over the years, and this is one of them. And when I seen they were retro in them, I had to have them. And I think it's kind of crazy that these were so easy to get. They were first come, first serve at Lapstone. They were first come, first serve, I think, in most places. Maybe Foot Locker and stuff like that did the reservation apps. But that's it, guys. We're going to go do the on foot. Like I said, I will be back on Tuesday with a very, very dope video. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats.
Whatever happened to peace? Peace.
Richie Ruckus Beats.